Let's go to the next lesson, the sun, moon, and the earth. This is our second lesson. So in the previous lesson we learned about the motion rotation of the earth. So in this lesson we are going to studying about one star, one satellite, and our planet earth. So first topic is the moon's motion. The previous class we learned about the motion of the earth. Like the earth, moon has the moon has also axial and orbital motions. अर्थ के जैसा मून भी रोटेट भी करता है और मोशन भी करता है. The moon, while rotating around itself, revolves around the earth, and the earth revolves around the sun. Actually, moon is not rotating the sun, it is rotating around the earth, and the earth is rotating the sun. So as a result, uh, though the moon does not revolve around the sun independently, or indirectly it makes revolutions around the sun. Actually, the moon is not rounding around the um, sun directly, but indirectly, when the earth moves around the sun, indirectly it is also moving around the sun. It makes revolutions around the sun. The time it takes to make one revolution around the earth and one rotation around the itself is the same. That is why we constantly see one and the same side of the moon. So here again they says that the time of the rotation and the motion of the moon is same. मून का रोटेशन revolution both are revolution और motion both are same, एक ही टाइम का एक ही टाइम में होता है. इसलिए 14 डेज में हम मून को दिखता है और नेक्स्ट 14 डेज वी कैन नॉट सी द मून. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एक्टिविटी. मून का ए एक्टिविटी की वजह से हमको 14 डेज मून को दिखेगा और नेक्स्ट 40 डेज वी कैन नॉट सी द मून. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ the moon rotating around the earth. Therefore we cannot see 14 days, and it is visible for 14 days because of the same reason, and it took the same time. And carry out the activity on a playground. Select 3 students. Give them the roles of the sun, the moon, and the earth. Make the sun stand in the middle. Draw the elliptical orbit around the sun. The students has been given into the role of earth should rotate himself from west to east simultaneously. He should revolve around the sun, who is the sun along with the orbit in the anti-clockwise direction. So this is an activity the students has to do. There is no need. Next we are moving to draw a diagram, the whole activity in your notebook. There is no need. So we are moving to the next geographical explanation. The moon's orbit of the revolution is also elliptical as that of earth. Hence the distance of the moon from the earth is not the same everywhere along its orbit while revolving. When it is the closest part of the earth is said to the perigee, and when it is the farthest the position is called apogee. So earth is always the moon is always rotating around the sun. Earth. Moon is always rotating around the earth. Hence the distance, लेकिन ये distance सेम नहीं है, बट लाइक एलिप्टिकल है. अर्थ का भी ऐसा है. अर्थ व्हेन अर्थ इज रोटेटिंग द सन, इट इज ऑल्सो एलिप्टिकल. हियर the moon is also rotating the earth, and it is also elliptical. Elliptical means not same distance. Observe the picture, you can easily understand. So when the moon is coming close to the earth, जब moon earth के पास में आता है, there is the distance of the earth and moon is 3,56,000 किलोमीटर. 3,56 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस. वो डिस्टेंस को बोलता है perigee, because the earth is close to the moon. But sometimes The moon is farther means long distance, farther than the earth. So there it is called 4 lakh and 7,000 kilometer, and it is called apogee. When earth is far from a moon, it is called apogee. So that's all about perigee and apogee. There the distance is 4 lakh and 7,000 kilometer. See, almost 50,000 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस है, डिफरेंस है उसमें. Then you have studied the phases of the moon. You know how it waxes from the new moon day to the full moon day, and how it wanes from the full to the new moon day. Here you can see how it is occurs a full moon day and a new moon day, how it is occurred. See, from sunrise coming from this side, when moon in this position, there is experience a new moon day. अमावासी बोलता है जब अर्थ के ऑपोजिट साइड में, जब अर्थ के ऑपोजिट साइड में मून आता है वो टाइम के सनराइज, मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला इट इज़ इन ए टिल्टेड मोशन में व्हेन सनराइज इज फॉलिंग ऑन टू दी मून सरफेस एंड इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्टिंग टू दी अर्थ, दर एक्सपीरियंस अ फुल मून डे. एंड both these sides are called quarter days. वो टाइम को चांद की हाफ पोर्शंस, वी कैन ओनली सी द हाफ पोर्शन ऑफ द मून. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड quarter days and a new moon day and a full moon day. When the sunrise is coming and falling to the moon, so therefore we cannot see where it is, only shadow appears there. And when the sunrise is perpendicular onto the moon, सीधा moon में आता है sunrise, and that is reflecting to the earth, there it is a full, there we experience a full moon day. So that is how it experience full moon and new moon. Then when half portion is only visible, there we can say that is a quarter days of the moon. Here sending